the entrance to Fremont Street. It's just jammed.
Yes.
And here's the volcano.
Nice.
Where's the volcano?
Maraj.
Turning around, we're heading back to the hotel.
Yep.
But it's going to take a half an hour. We're going back on the strip. All the way back from north of Las Vegas Boulevard from the north.
There you go.
There's the entrance to Fremont Street. It's just jammed.
What this?
Why don't you open your window? Okay, well, we're not going to get it. Especially all the cars behind me.
Traffic.
Red light. That's what's killing us. There we go. Now, if only we can go, Russell. Get ready to look out your window. Oh, he's pulling in there. The cab. Look. There it is.
There is spray monster.
Can't really experience it unless you walk it. And we've done that before.
Yeah.
Highly recommended.
Yeah, nice up there.
Especially at night.
Yeah.
And this is the other part of North Las Vegas Boulevard. Everyone's in the left lane, look.
And you're in the right lane.
There's a lot of pawn shops here too. They have their famous pawn shop. It's on TV.
Yeah. Driving in 11 in the evening.
11:13. And it is temperature set. I think it's wrong. I don't know what it is, temperature.
You'll be 100 now.
Oh, it was 99 before, so yeah, it says 101 now, but
Traffic light. Stop and go. Here the stratosphere again, the point.
this hotel.
This motel.
You know why it's a motel?
Why?
Motor Inn. You park right outside your door. See them?
Yeah.
There's no hallway. So
Direct to go inside.
There's the wedding chapels.
There's the wedding chapel here, the famous wedding chapel.
Yeah. All kinds of places like that. There it is. Little White Chapel.
Little White Chapel, where are you?
Right there.
Oh, there is.
There it is. There's that other sign too. Thought it was right here. They took it down.
I not see that here.
That's what people do. They go back and forth. They drive the strip.
Yeah.
You got enough lights?
Yep.
Looks like Christmas.
Circus, circus.
Gamble, there's gambling up north. I mean, out west by the. There's a guy doing his work.
Yep.
There it is, World Resorts on the right. Next time we come here,
Yep, maybe it's already
maybe
done.
in 2 years we wait. It's all done, we'll make reservations.
Maybe it's expensive that dirt though. Look like.
Oh yeah, I think vacation now is expensive. There's TI, RJ.
TI, RJ. You like TI?
So the other name is Las Vegas Boulevard.
Las Vegas Boulevard. This is it.
This is a nicer view coming back this way.
Yeah.
Looking at the Palazzo and the The Venetian, where we stayed.
Yep, before honeymoon.
The honeymoon Venetian. Yeah. Beautiful view of the strip, remember?
Yep.
Looking down at the ballet. They look like ants.
It's scary to look down.
Yeah, but you were sitting there right by the window looking down. I remember that.
So high.
There's the Mirage. Is that T.I.?
T.I. there
There
is.
she is.
Treasure Island.
People lining up for the boat yet? It's further down.
Yeah, we already done.
They do it every half an hour, every hour.
I don't know.
The Palazzo. There's two buildings. Well, the Palazzo's even. Well, Venetian's got more buildings behind it, I think.
Yeah. Got that there.
Okay, there's the boat.
There's the boat.
There it is. There's the pirate ship.
There it is.
It usually floats out and comes around,
Yep.
but nobody's standing there.
Maybe
like,
it's
when's
already done.
Well, it's every hour, so when's the next show? You think people be lining up for the next show?
Yes.
And here's the volcano. Okay, there's the boat.
There's the boat.
There it is. There's the pirate ship.
There it is.
It usually floats out and comes around,
Yep.
but nobody's standing there.
Maybe
like,
it's
when's
already done.
Well, it's every hour, so when's the next show? You think people be lining up for the next show?
Yes.
And here's the volcano.
Nice.
Where's the volcano?
Mirage.
Right there. Didn't we see it from our room one time? We were up there.
Yeah. In the Mirage.
We were also there for honeymoon, right?
Yeah.
The Mirage.
Not yet. Not yet married at honey.
Oh, not yet. That was before.
When we're there at Mirage.
They still have the Beatles there.
Maybe that.
Boys too. Yep, the Mirage. They should have the Beatle picture up on top.
There, Mirage.
They still do the Beatles show. Well, after all these years, they still do it. It works, it works. There we go. There's the fountain.
Yeah.
The volcano's
There's a
on top
volcano
of that. Somewhere
there.
in there on top.
But
Nobody's lining up, so we don't know when the next one is. Right behind those rocks.
yeah.
So now it's 4 lanes wide.
Yeah.
They keep it this way all the time. But the other one only looks like 2 lanes coming north. Strange. You know,
Nice.
where's the volcano?
Mirage.
Right there. Didn't we see it from our room one time? We were up there.
Yeah. In the Mirage.
We were also there for honeymoon, right?
Yeah.
The Mirage.
Not yet. Not yet married at honey.
Oh, not yet. It was before.
When we there at Mirage.
They still have the Beatles there.
Maybe that.
Boys too. Yep, the Mirage. They should have the Beatle picture up on top.
Here, Mirage.
They still do the Beatles show. After all these years, they still do it. It works, it works. There we go. There's the fountain.
Yeah.
The volcano's
There's
on
a
top of
volcano
that. Somewhere
there.
in there on top.
But
Nobody's lining up, so we don't know when the next one is. Right behind those rocks.
yeah.
So now it's 4 lanes wide.
Yeah.
They keep it this way all the time. But the other one only looks like 2 lanes coming north. Strange.
Planet. The planet.
Eric Clapton. Janet Jackson. Oh, what's on the road? Oh, it's reflection. Looks like they're trying to make the strip nicer, the roads.
Yeah.
Yep, this is the heart of the strip. The boulevard. The boulevard.
The biggest boulevard is here.
Ninja Warrior Championship stuff is usually back behind MGM Grand.
Yeah.
The back alley, it's invite only. You can't get tickets.
Yeah.
You gotta know somebody that's in it.
Because if other people,
They're too busy.
yeah.
Well, they could make a lot of money if they had a bigger spot. But
Maybe
if you're too far away, you really can't see what's going
Yeah.
on. TVs and cameras on it. Okay, here we are.
New York, New York.
All the cars are getting going to this LED now. See it?
Yeah.
It's brighter.
Yep. Oh.
Hard Rock Cafe. It's a Hard Rock Cafe.